gonna learn about flowers through a puzzle. And we're gonna do that through Knowledge Bank too. A super jigsaw puzzle combo pack for kids to develop their knowledge about birds, flowers, animals, sea animals, transport, alphabet, fruits, and vegetables. There are 8 puzzle sheets inside and 280 pieces of puzzle. It's for kids age 2+. Now let's unbox it. So we have picked up the flowers. Let's open this pack and see what's inside. Alright, we have different pieces of flowers. Alright, I'm so excited. So let's get started. Let's keep them on a side in order to solve the puzzle. Alright, so let's separate these pieces if they're joined. Let's figure out which flower is this. So let's sort out the pieces of one flower first. Let's see which one fits here. Alright, this fits in here. And yes, this goes here. It's lotus. I think we have a sunflower too. But let's finish the lotus first, because this part is missing. Where is it? Should be something green. Alright. Yay! This fits in here. So we have lotus. This is the flower called lotus. Now let's find out sunflower. As we can see the name already. Let's put in the pieces together. Alright, let's see what fits in where. No. Let's check this one. Alright, no. Yeah, this fits in here. And this one doesn't fit here. It's a real task for the puzzles to find out which piece goes where. Yay! This one fits right in. And this one here. Alright. We still have another piece which goes here. Yay! A little part of this leaf is left out. So we're gonna find that part. We got it. We've completed another flower, which is called the sunflower. Now let's figure out what's another one. The trick is to collect the same color pieces, I guess. I mean, whatever works for you. Now let's check which part fits in where. This one doesn't. This one does. Yay! Alright, we got it now. It's almost done, but we still have the name missing. But I guess I know which one it is. Yay! Marigold! Now let's find out another one. Let's see what fits in where. Alright, this goes here. We need another piece. It doesn't go here. It goes here. Yay! Yes, that's rose. But this piece is still missing, so let's find it first. Yay! It fits right in here. So we have completed rose. Now let's see which one's the other flower. Let's start joining it. We still need to complete the leaf. So we completed poppy. Let's see which one's the one above this. Alright, it's Lily. Now let's see this one. Yes, this goes right here. That's tulip. But let's see. So let's see if we've got all the pieces first. Yeah, we got tulip. Now we're left with one flower, which is magnolia. But let's finish it first. We just got 2 pieces. And the last one. This is magnolia. Alright, we completed the flowers puzzle. Yay!